안녕. 안녕하세요. Yes, Christina. Christian. 안녕하세요.
Christina.
고마워.
Christina.
Christina.
Brixie.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, Christian, how old are you?
I am 20.
Really?
Yeah, why? Yes.
Very young baby.
No.
Very young baby.
Anyo.
Thank you, 세영.
Blood hound?
Oh, yun.
Is that hello everyone?
Hello. You're quiet but you're strong.
Because everyone, Doyon is
Thank you.
famous in Korea. You understand everyone? I'm weak. Yes, I know. They are very famous.
Kasi XXL eh. Ay,
Hi baby.
hindi ba?
Hello baby.
What? Me?
No.
Minju, hello.
Me? Baby?
No. You very
Uy!
strong.
Ah!
뭐야 미쳤어.
Wow. 도현님 죄송해요.
아닙니다.
아니 갑자기 여기 제가 초대돼가지고
에브리온.
제가 올 자리가 아닌데.
Nag-snipe pa nga lang. Iiyak na siya. Iiyak na.
아이.
Hey Doyon, I know you're sniped me. You sniped me last time. That's why I know you're gonna snipe me again.
도망쳐, run. Only.
고마워.
Thank you, Minju. Thank you very much. Very muy bien. Joanna. Muy bien.
Ano sinasabi ng isa?
Mucho gusto. Mucho
Yung isa?
Mucho
Yung isa kayo
gracias.
pala dadaldalo. Chill lang siya.
He's louder.
Kaya ganyan, tapos panalo. Madrid, di ba yun?
He's very funny. And he's very young, 20.
But
Ako, pani
you
ako,
very
mukha ba akong close
strong.
up?
I know you strong. Yeah, you're so.
Chinese cute, right? Yes. Very cute. Tommy, now it's okay?
I think you ready for the hi 슈퍼도. I think
Hola.
you ready for the.
Huwag ko magsulitan.
Hola, ¿cómo vos estás?
Right? You glove. You think you using glove.
In sports, I'm in
Natry ko din manahimik.
in
Natry ko din
studies.
manahimik, baka
I'm
sakaling
Baku.
manalo.
Oh,
I will
Baku?
try to be silent, Doyon.
시온?
I try to be silent too.
But it's very funny, Polly. Good.
Wala 15 seconds. Wala
Dami Bora.
Give up na tayo.
Yes.
Di tama na.
Mensajes. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Mi vida.
Oo na to. 6 seconds oh. Wala na to. Hayaan mo na. Tulog tayo maaga.
I'm muy bien, gracias.
Wala talaga.
Ah,
Ay, matulog tayo
감사합니다.
maaga oh. Bana. Lala tayo, be. So, biyayabang ko pa naman. Sabi ko pa naman, magkasama na kaming dalawa, hindi na kami matatalo. Sabi niya, magtawag ka pa. Magtawag ka pa. Ano, tawag ka pa? Lokos niya,